Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video here. And today I want to talk about some of the most profitable items to flip using retail arbitrage online. So, one of the hottest items that has been in stores is this, the Nintendo Switch. Very popular item. People are losing their minds over the Nintendo Switch, sometimes buying multiple consoles. And I wanted to talk about why it's one of the worst products to flip, and it's been terrible for me. So, this is the story of a couple Nintendo Switches that I bought. I was able to get my hands on them, even though the supply is like insanely low. So, the Nintendo Switch, it's going on Amazon for about $399, and you can pick this up retail. The cost is actually $299. So, the delta there, it's $100, okay? So you're thinking, look, $100, that's a lot of money. If I could get 5 or 10 of these, that's a lot of cash. Well, let me stop you right there, because it's not only the cost of the product, and mind you, I'm here in Texas, so Texas has a state sales tax of another 8.25. But for this example, I'm not going to include the tax. I'm just going to say, let's just say it's $299 if you're in a state that's not charging sales tax on retail purchases. So it's $299. So you got $100. Well, then you've got the actual Amazon fees right off the top here. And this is based on an Amazon fee calculator that I use. So these are the actual fees. It would cost you $32.91 to sell this product on Amazon at this price, which again, not bad. They're bringing the buyers. It's a marketplace. They've got hundreds of millions of eyeballs looking exactly for these types of products, which are hot. They're online. They're hard to find in traditional retail stores. So people flock to Amazon. Then, not only do you have the Amazon fees, you've also got shipping. Now look at this. This product, it's kind of bulky. It's a little bit heavy. So it's gonna be, on average, I say $15. Probably $10 to $12 a ship, plus packaging, a box. You don't want to just put a label on this Nintendo Switch and ship it, because I can promise you it'll get stolen in the mail. So that's another thing that you're going to have to look at. So when you actually take this, you go, what am I making here? You take the $299, you subtract the cost to acquire the product you take the $399 minus $299 minus the $32.91 of the Amazon fees minus the $15 to actually ship the product. You're left with a profit of $21.09. Yippee! Well, that actually is not too good, because there's other products in the same price range here that you can actually make profit over $100, okay? Based on the current market conditions. So the Nintendo Switch actually has been one of the worst flips that I've ever done online right now, because a lot of the other products I can make way more than $21.09. Now, if you look at this on another perspective of what is my ROI on this product, okay? So if you look at the actual capital invested here, the $299 to buy this Nintendo Switch, okay? And I'm going to go back here and take you back to, a question of what is the point of investing this capital if you're not going to get a gain here? Well, if you're investing anywhere, what you want to do is have a return on your capital. You want to basically turn whatever's invested into more money. The goal of any business, according to the IRS, is to make money. So, to make some money, if you look at the return on capital, based on this profit, based on all these fees here, your return would be about 7%. Your return on investment of this $299 with all these fees, with this profit of $21.09 over the $299, is about 7%. So you made 7% on your money. That's pretty good, considering the risk is really minimal, in my opinion, on this type of product, because with the supply chain shortages and everything that's happening right now, there's a lower probability that this product is going to be back in stock with the heightened demand that's happening right now. And this is just a byproduct of Corona and everything that's happening with the supply chains that are getting interrupted. So again, this Nintendo Switch, not a great flip. There's tons of other items that you can find out there that are in stock on certain retailers. You can find them potentially locally at different stores, and you can make a lot more money than this, what we have right here, this $21.09, but not too shabby, 7%. However, you can do a lot better and get this 7% up to 50% or even over 100%. So that's all I got for you in this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.